today's video, I'll be breaking down exactly how we generate 20 plus exclusive and qualified sales calls, not leads, sales calls per week consistently for financial professionals using our three-pillar strategy. My name is Joey, and I'm one of the two co-founders at Fondako Media, a done-for-you agency where we take thriving financial security advisors and really turn them into industry leaders by having exclusive and qualified prospects come to them, ensuring predictable sales commissions every single month. Our goal with this YouTube channel is really to educate financial professionals on how to leverage today's digital world to change the game in terms of their client acquisition strategy and really help them become the reference in their industry for their area. You'll essentially learn how you can now flip the script in terms of your prospecting by having prospects come to you rather than you harassing them. And this is really going to ensure three things in the long run for you. So first, just a constant flux of clients and prospects that are going to come your way, and they're going to have to sell themselves to you rather than you sell yourself to them, because this is all going to be done in the front end of your marketing. Second, you'll just see a significant boost in your closing rate because it's going to be a different game. They're already going to know who you are. It's not going to be cold leads. It's not lead generation. It's really prospect generation where it's qualified people that you talk to. And three, you'll see a significant boost also in your productivity, because you're now going to have the time to focus on where you best excel at in your business and where you enjoy the most doing in your business, which for most of you is really not time acquisition. So let me hop on my computer and I'll illustrate to you how that works. So this is a simple overview of the three-pillar strategy that basically any financial professional can start implementing on their own today if they have the time to do so. So the first pillar of this strategy is having an automated prospecting machine that generates a high volume of potential prospects 24/7 without you having to do it yourself with outdated strategies such as cold calls, door knocking, or flyers. So depending on the volume you want, there are a bunch of different ways to generate that traffic of potential prospects to your offer. So some of you can use some LinkedIn organic prospecting automation, some Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. The how really doesn't really matter. The goal of this pillar is to have enough volume to make the qualifying process worth it, depending on the sales calls that you want every single month. So we personally use for our clients some cross-platform data extracting strategies where we found where your ideal customers mostly hang out on different social media. Then we use highly targeted paid traffic advertisement, which is mostly on Facebook because it's the cheapest and most effective. And we run some retargeting campaigns and really some continuous optimizations to really ensure a clear ROI when it comes to traffic generation aspect of this strategy. So really, this strategy is exclusive to our clients at Fondako Media. But let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in me digging deeper into our exact strategy for you guys, and I might make a separate video on this pillar only. So after this traffic generation pillar, great, we have a ton of traffic and a bunch of potential prospects, but where are those leads all going? Where are those prospects all going? So this is where most marketing agencies stop. And send you a list of a bunch of people that you don't even know if they're committed to the process and they're just window shopping. So also known as leads. And this is how we want to differentiate this strategy from all of the other one on the market. So this is where pillar number 2 comes in, which is having an automated qualifying system for the traffic that you generate. So for our clients, we have 3 qualifying stages in our system, even 4 actually, if we count the targeted copywriting, creatives that we use in our advertisement. But this pillar is essentially how you'll be able to really 10x the quality of your sales calls by only dealing with your ideal ready to buy prospects and not a list of cold leads that your boss gave you from 2 years ago. So the big idea here is to send your traffic to a landing page, which will act as a sales funnel. So not your website, really a custom sales funnel. Websites are great to showcase your projects and for people to get a general idea of what you're doing, but they're atrocious at converting cold traffic. So your landing page has to showcase your authority and guide your customer to its next step in his journey if they actually want to work with you. So this will act as your first qualifying stage for your traffic. So if a potential time waster of a lead gets onto your landing page and has no interest in reading more about you, then he will simply click away. So which in the case of not having this extra step and just receiving his information as a new lead, you would have taken the time in your day to call him, have a conversation with him, which would in most cases lead to nothing as he was not interested in the first place. So Now, after getting on your landing page, going through all your qualifying processes, your prospect will be left with the choice to either give you a call right there and then, which is an inbound prospect for you, which is a lot better than having to talk to a cold lead, or 2, book an appointment directly to your calendar, or 3, wait for you to call them back. So once again, these are not cold leads anymore. They're potential clients which already know who you are. It automatically makes your first interaction with them a sales call. So, like, once again, if you're interested in knowing exactly what are all of our clarifying stages in this pillar and want us to break that down, just feel free to let us know in the comments down below, or message us, and we'll make sure to get back to you and perhaps make a video on this pillar only. So by implementing these first 2 pillars, you'll immediately be mind blown by the difference in the quality of your potential prospects and how much less stressful it is knowing that no matter how your closing rate is that week or that month, you know that your pipeline always stays full week in and week out. Now, for the last pillar of our 3-pillar strategy, it is to have your own personalized ecosystem to keep track of all your prospect sales calls, conversion rates, and every marketing investment, so you know exactly what your ROI is in your marketing efforts, where to slack on and where to double down in. So this was a big shock for me and my partner when we started talking with hundreds of financial professionals, and knowing that they don't even have a CRM, don't have somewhere to track where their prospects are, where their sales calls are, how much $1 for them put into your marketing strategy, how much is that worth at the end of the process? So having this pillar number 3 to your strategy is basically having a CRM, some sort of software to keep track of those opportunities and numbers, and start building your list of prospects over time, so that every time you have a new offer, you can mass send it to your list of potential buyers which you've already spoken with, and you now have a second chance at the sale with them, which is a lot more likely to convert than their first interaction with a prospect. So at our company, we personally use Go High Level as our software of choice for our clients, which allows us to take care of all the nurturing, build landing pages, build email marketing campaigns, have a clear dashboard of our clients to see the results we bring them every single day, all accessible through their phone as an app or their laptop. So all of our clients can access their numbers through their app and through their dashboard on the laptop. So now, by having all these 3 pillars in place, bringing in 20 plus exclusive and qualified sales calls every single week on autopilot, you're only left with the task of getting on your personalized ecosystem and actually call the prospects that didn't already book an appointment or called you first. So now you can either close them directly on the call or set an appointment with them to discuss future business later. So having those systems in place will essentially do all of the heavy lifting for you in terms of filling up your pipeline with qualified buyers and nurture them as much as possible for the final sale. So now all your focus should be channeled on closing those prospects, waiting to talk to you in your pipeline to make sure you get some crazy ROI from your marketing efforts. So really, the higher your closing rate, the bigger your ROI. So even though we leave the closing aspect of the process to our clients, we work as a team. And if for some reason their closing rate starts falling down below 50% mark, then we have some extra tools like some sales script and other training that we've built after investing more than $16,000 US, me and my partner, into some sales training and some courses, which should help you bring that closing rate back up to make sure you get that 5x, 10x ROI on your investment. So thank you for sticking with us till the end of this video. Please let us know down below in the comments what your thoughts were on this strategy, and if you want us to dig deeper on some more technical aspects to really help you get those systems up and running for yourself, which should really make you a more happy and more efficient financial advisor at the end. So if you're a financial security advisor, financial planner, insurance agent, and you see the value in having all of these systems set up and run by our team of experts, then I invite you to click the link down below and schedule a call with either me or Pavel and have a scaling strategy session with us, where we'll take the time to diagnose your situation, your goals, and if it makes sense for you to jump in and if you're a good fit with our agency, then we'll show you what that entails and how we can help you become a more happy and more efficient financial advisor. So with that said, thank you for watching this. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help us reach a wider audience with our channel and give that free value to as many financial advisors as possible. So, and also stay tuned for some weekly value bombs like this one every Wednesday actually, so starting today. So that's it for me. Stay safe and see you in the next video.